Škoda, one of the leading names in the automotive industry, is proud to present the Kvasiny factory, a large-scale and advanced production center. Expansion of Škoda Auto's Kvasiny plant, embracing e-mobility. Škoda Auto has inaugurated a cutting-edge competence center at its Kvasiny plant, geared towards the adoption of more advanced testing methodologies. This expansion is in anticipation of the production of the Škoda Superb with plug-in hybrid technology. Notably, the brand's inaugural hybrid vehicle rolled off the production line as early as 2019. Presently, the Kvasiny plant manufactures the Škoda Superb, Kodiaq, and Kodiaq, with plans to boost plant capacity to over 300,000 vehicles annually in the coming years. The recent developments at the Kvasiny production site include a new power distribution system, charging stations tailored for electric vehicles, and innovative testing stands. The facility is well prepared to subject new cars to rigorous testing, such as enduring simulated rain in a water chamber. This chamber has the capability to replicate various conditions, ranging from fine drizzle to tropical downpours, utilizing over 50 liters of water per square meter at temperatures exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, the expansion project features a newly constructed building with a floor area of 9,943 square meters out of the total plant area of 495,000 square meters. The building includes a plant for plug-in hybrid vehicles, a small parts warehouse, a new multifunctional competence center, and an expanded body shop. The latter, comprising Body Shop A and Body Shop B, collectively produces 1,420 car bodies per day. Starting with the body shop, where up to 1,500 bodies are assembled daily with the help of 893 robots. The manufacturing process, including welding and assembly, is demonstrated through dynamic time-lapse photography and real-time footage. The ultra-modern paint shop and assembly lines, capable of producing over 50 vehicles per hour, contribute to the daily output of around 1,200 units of various Škoda models. Škoda's commitment to automation and the implementation of Industry 4.0 technologies at the Kvasiny plant. The D production system, introduced since September 2019, assists the workforce in executing manufacturing steps accurately, notifies them of process changes, and serves as proof of quality control. This initiative earned Škoda Auto the Automotive Lean Production Award in November 2019 for the Best Smart Digital Application. Below are special numbers and information about this factory, which demonstrate its modernity and impressive capabilities. The total area of Kvasiny factory is 1,200,000 square meters, of which 500,000 square meters are used for production workshops. This creates a large space, providing an effective workplace for every stage of production. The assembly line at this factory is about 2.5 kilometers long. This points to the scale and complexity of the manufacturing process, where each step is performed with precision and automation. The Kvasiny factory boasts a large workforce, with a total of 7,000 employees as of January 2024. This demonstrates its commitment to creating not only quality products but also a good working environment. Positive. Welding area. With an area of 100,000 square meters, the welding area uses the most advanced welding technology, ensuring the quality and durability of welds. Painting area. Covering an area of 120,000 square meters, this area uses a new paint system to reduce pollution and improve paint quality. Assembly area. With an area of 280,000 square meters, this area uses automated assembly lines to increase productivity and accuracy. Škoda Auto has announced the start of series production of the second-generation Škoda Kodiaq at its plant in Kvasiny, Czech Republic. A significant investment of €49 million has been made to modernize and future-proof Škoda Auto's production line and welding shop in Kvasiny. A notable point is that the new Kodiaq model will have many engine time. Key improvements have been made during the transformation of the production line, including updates to the manipulator, frame assembly, conveyor technology, and refinement of robot functionality for applying window sealants. To increase SUV production capacity, Škoda Auto has decided to move production of the new generation Superb from Kvasiny to Volkswagen's factory in Bratislava, Slovakia. This frees up space at Kvasiny, allowing the plant to produce an additional 150,000 vehicles annually of the Kodiaq and Kodiaq SUV models, potentially up to 410 Kodiaq vehicles per day. Success of the Kodiaq model. Škoda Auto kicked off its SUV campaign with the Kodiaq back in September 2016 and has since introduced various models in its SUV lineup. The Kodiaq model has reached a milestone with more than 870,000 units produced since 2016, distributed to 60 markets worldwide, and won many international awards. Introducing the second-generation Kodiaq. The second-generation Kodiaq was introduced in Berlin with advances in sustainability and performance, while introducing the first elements of Škoda's new design language, called Modern Solid. Speaking specifically about the new generation Kodiaq, this model maintains Škoda's characteristics of spaciousness, integrates sustainable materials and innovative elements such as smart dials, and features new generation matrix LED lights. In total, this information demonstrates Škoda Auto's commitment to modernizing production and responding to market demand with an outstanding SUV model such as the Kodiaq. Final inspection and quality control. The completed Kodiaq undergoes a final inspection to ensure that it meets all of Škoda's quality and safety standards. This includes testing the engine, brakes, lights, and other systems. Road test and delivery. If everything passes the final inspection, the Kodiaq is taken for a test drive on a simulated road course to ensure its performance and handling. Once all checks are complete, the vehicle is prepared for delivery to the customer. The production process for the plug-in hybrid Kodiaq IV is similar to the gasoline and diesel models, with the addition of the electric motor and battery pack installation. Škoda Auto uses advanced manufacturing techniques and robotics throughout the production process to ensure quality, efficiency, and consistency. The Kodiaq is produced at Škoda's Kvasiny plant in the Czech Republic, as well as at other facilities around the world. I hope this detailed description gives you a good understanding of the Škoda Kodiaq production process. Key components of the expansion project are summarized as follows. Plant for plug-in hybrid vehicles. Series production of the plug-in hybrid Superb commenced in 2019. Small parts warehouse. The warehouse facilitates fully autonomous storage and removal of parts, delivered, just in sequence, to the assembly line. New multifunctional competence center. Includes a testing and quality center, logistics center, parking areas for pre-production vehicles, and an event hall, consolidating various areas concerned with vehicle testing and analysis under one roof. Expansion of the body shop. In Body Shop A, 740 car bodies are produced daily, while the capacity of Body Shop B is 680 car bodies. Additionally, Škoda Auto invested €13.5 million in the new building, which incorporates an area of planned green space spanning 3,800 square meters around the facility. These strategic developments position the Kvasiny plant as a pivotal hub for Škoda's electric mobility endeavors and underscore the company's commitment to technological innovation and sustainability.